Welcome to this technical guide on the Thermomix TM31. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you've noticed a horrible grinding noise coming from the blades on your TM31, you're not alone. This issue often arises when the blades become misaligned or when there's something obstructing their movement. If left untreated, this grinding noise can lead to more severe damage, potentially resulting in costly repairs down the line. To get started on fixing this issue, you will need a few tools. Gather a screwdriver set, preferably with a Torx head, a pair of pliers, and some lubricant specifically designed for kitchen appliances. First, ensure your Thermomix is unplugged before we proceed. Carefully remove the bowl from the base and place it aside. Next, you'll need to flip the Thermomix over to access the screws on the bottom. Using your screwdriver, remove the screws, taking care not to strip them. Once all screws are removed, gently lift the base off. Inside, you'll find the motor and the blade assembly. The grinding noise is often due to the blades being stuck or misaligned. Locate the blade assembly and check for any obstructions. If you see any food particles or debris, use your pliers to gently remove them. If the blades appear damaged or are wobbling, you may need to extract the assembly. Carefully unscrew the blades from the motor, noting the type of screws used so you can replace them accurately later. Apply a bit of force but be cautious not to overdo it. Disconnect any cables gently, ensuring you remember their positions for reassembly. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After you have checked and cleaned the blade assembly, it's time to replace it. Align the blades carefully with the motor and screw them back into place. Reconnect any cables, ensuring they're secure but not overly tight. Before reassembling the base, apply a small amount of lubricant to the moving parts of the motor to ensure smooth operation. Once everything is in place, carefully align the base with the body of the Thermomix and replace the screws. Make sure they are tightened securely, but again, do not over-tighten them. Now, plug your device back in and test it to ensure the grinding noise has disappeared. You should hear smooth operation if everything is working well. To prevent this issue from recurring, make sure to regularly clean your Thermomix, especially around the blades and motor area. Avoid overloading it, as this can misalign the blades and lead to grinding noises. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.